Hi everyone, I am Y. Sivaprasad working as an associate professor in Guntur Engineering College. In this session, we are going to discuss about avionic system architecture using architecture business cycle. What is a case study? A case study is a real-time problem. Studying that problem in a research-oriented manner, you call it as case study. In the case study, the information, whatever the information you got, that will be represented in the form of documenting, writing, and sketches and diagrams for further references. A case study is a starting point of any project. It can also serve as a link or a reference which we can help explaining the project with ease. This case study history, whatever the case study, 7E case study, you please consider the history. The case study we have considered is 7E. 7E is a war flight used by US Navy in between 60s and 80s. The 7E predecessor was 7C. 7C was the first aircraft with onboard navigation facility so that they are able to release the weapons or fix the targets with the help of onboard computers. In the 7C, they have used some small special purpose registers. So you know that small special purpose registers have less capacity. So that registers are used to convert digital to analog and analog to digital. Now in this session, we are going to consider our relationship of the architecture with ABC. For architecture, sorry, 7E architecture purpose, you please refer my previous video. The link is provided in the description window. Our 7E architecture link is already provided in the description window. You please refer that window. If you have not subscribed my channel, you please subscribe my channel so that you are able to get the latest videos. Now come to this point, architecture business cycle. How this 7E is related with architecture business cycle. In any ABC, we have this template. In the ABC, we use these points. First, you see stakeholders, architect influence, stakeholders, developing organizations, technical environment, architect experience, and requirements, and architecture model structure. This diagram is more important. For any case study which is related with ABC, we use this template. Only the thing is, for example, if you are developing for US Navy, so we write naval aviators. So for example, if you are developing for some other organization like Airport Authority, you write it Airport Authority. Stakeholders. Stakeholders. Stakeholders means the persons or organizations who are going to use after development of this product. You call it as stakeholders. Simply you can remember it as users. For example, in this 7E case study, stakeholders are US Naval Department. US Naval Department is the stakeholder, US Naval Aviators, because the 7E is mainly developed for US Naval Aviators. Second one is developing organization. The organization who is going to develop this particular product or service is considered as developing organization. The 7E warflight is developed by US Navy Research Department, US Navy R&D Department for US National Aviators. So in this case, US Naval Research is considered as the developing organization. US national aviators are considered as naval aviators are considered as the stakeholders. Next one is technical environments. So for what purpose we are developing this? So first one, what technology we have used? We have used two technologies. One is information hiding and another one is sequential processing. To achieve this information hiding, we are using class models. You know about modular structure. In the modular structure, we use classes. So in the class is a combination of public and private methods so that we are able to achieve the information hiding. Next one is with the help of same modular structure we are able to got sequential processing. One module is depending upon another module, or we are performing module B after performing module A. So we call it as a sequential process. This already we have discussed it in previous video in the process model. Next one is quality requirements. Whatever the quality we are expecting from this 7E case study. So first quality is modifiability. The ability to make the changes as and when required with the minimum cost and minimum time is called as modifiability. For example, if a new development is there in the weapons and they want to attach a new weapon to the existing weapons in the flight, so with a little bit modification, they must be in a position to add the new weapons. So the ability to change as per requirement is called as modifiability. Next one is performance. Performance plays very important role in the war flights, especially when the pilot is fixing a target on a particular enemy mission or enemy flight. So there is no time. The pilot is reacting immediately. For example, pilot has released a weapon. Immediately the weapon should be released and the weapon should reach the target without any delay and without any struck up. So that performance is very important in the war flights. Imagine that what happens if the weapon is struck in the flight, that may giving so much damage to the to that flight or to the country. So performance is very important. Cost is not a criteria. Next, architecture. Already we have discussed it in the previous video that architecture uses module structure, use structure, process structure. This I have explained it in detail in my previous video. I am providing that link in the description window. Please refer that window. Thank you.